Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize dropshipping with Lowe's, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize dropshipping with Lowe's, start by conducting thorough market research. Identify trending products that align with the home improvement niche. Compile a list of items that have consistent demand and good margins. Create a Lowe's account to gain access to their dropshipping program. Familiarize yourself with their catalog to understand product availability. Select products that are readily in stock to avoid fulfillment issues. Set competitive pricing by analyzing market trends and competitor pricing. Integrate a reliable e-commerce platform to showcase your products. Ensure that your online store is easy to navigate and user-friendly. Optimize product descriptions using SEO-friendly keywords to improve visibility. Include high-quality images to attract potential customers. Establish a streamlined order processing system for efficient fulfillment. Connect with Lowe's customer service to clarify any questions regarding dropshipping policies. Monitor inventory levels regularly to maintain stock accuracy. Keep track of shipping times and communicate them clearly to your customers. Utilize social media to promote your dropshipping store effectively. Engage with potential customers through targeted ads and promotions. Analyze sales data continuously to identify trends and areas for improvement. Make adjustments to your product offerings based on customer feedback. Focus on building strong relationships with your suppliers to ensure reliable service. By following these steps, you can successfully optimize your dropshipping business with Lowe's. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.